I am Mani Manjusha from Delhi, and I'm one of the participants here in this particular show. This is a nice experience to have a show in Goa in Kala Academy. So yeah, it's a good experience.
Which are your these paintings that you have?
Mine are the abstracts, and I work with a lot of colors. I experiment with a lot of colors. So it's like the abstract one, and then I try to keep the theme for the viewer, and it's their own perspective, whatever they want to perceive from my particular artworks.
How do you feel that your exhibition is here in Goa?
Yeah, it's a good experience, and I feel the timing is a New Year thing, and then everybody is like busy with the other activities, but still it's a good experience to have a show over here, and many people have turned up, and then they really loved our works, and they really encouraged us. So it's a good experience overall.
So next, what you're having next?
Well, definitely we would like to come back again in Goa and carry a good number of artworks with the different artists too, because this particular show also has different artists from different states. So we have a mixed group of artists. So next time also we'll try to get their works and some more beautiful works to be seen in the next time.
From Goan artists, anyone was there?
No, not from Goa, but then yes, from Maharashtra, from Chandigarh, from Calcutta, Delhi of course. So we have different states artists, not from Goa. Hope to get another show along with the Goan artists.
I'm Dr. Nitin Majumdar, and I'm curating the show. This is a show consisting of national and international level artists from India and various parts of Indian states. This show consists of 12 artists, 1 sculptor and 1 photographer. All the artists have got different art forms, different styles of their painting. They have used various mediums in oil, mixed media, acrylic, charcoal, and we have a piece of sculpture as well done by Sunita Lamba. And the quality of artworks, as you can see, is wonderful. Different varieties, different art forms, basically dealing with nature and human lives.
How do you feel the response in Goa about this?
Well, it's New Year's time, and as you know, in Goa, it's a place where full of fun and activity going on in New Year's Eve. But still, I would love to say that a lot of people have visited our show. Lot of enthusiasts, art lovers, connoisseurs of arts. They have visited us, and they have really encouraged us and loved our show.
How long it will?
The show is going on till 4th of January. The show is inaugurated by noted Goan artist Viraj Naik, and our guest of honor was Dr. Dattaguru Amankar.
And what time it is open?
The show opens in the morning at 11 and goes on until 7:30.